Hello and welcome to the second part of Pacific Eve's Basic Tutorials section, a project set on helping newcomers get better into the art of editing. This time I'm going to tell you about pan crop and explain the most essential thing to know about when using Vegas or any other complex editing software, keyframes. I'll tell you more about them later, but right now I'll tell you what they are and why is it important to know about them before doing anything else. I've put a random clip here from Final Fantasy XIII to start off with. And what I want to do to begin panning is click this square, Event Pan Crop. It will be here on every clip or media that you set on the timeline in Vegas, including text or solid colors. Now, as you can see, I can grab the edges and move the position around. Don't ask what the F stands for, we can't train that in this tutorial series. Now, I'm going to focus my crop right here on Lightning's face. You can rotate it by the corner edge or scale it by pulling from anywhere else. To return it to default, right-click and restore. You could also right-click center, right-click flip horizontally, or right-click flip vertically. As you can see, I am dragging my keyframe, this diamond on the small timeline beneath everything else, wherever my time marker is. And what I mean by time marker is the line that is where you are along the timeline which is playing. I don't know what else to call it. If I don't do this, I will accidentally create a new keyframe every time I adjust anything, and will have a lot of unneeded animation. Back to pan cropping. You can go right here and click Lock Aspect Ratio, and it will shape your clip rather than panning it in and out. This helps when you have a widescreen clip with bars that do not disappear after maintaining your ratio, or subtitles which you can zoom past with the same method I show here. Enable snapping means that it will jumpily adjust your clip to points Vegas has set rather than smoothly, as it would with snapping disabled. Right here is a way to zoom in and out of what you're doing. But if you have a scroll on your mouse, you can do it with that instead. If you're on a laptop, check the right side of your touchpad mouse to see whether or not it has a scroll built in to do the same thing. Click this to have the normal edit tool again. Pull your screen around and zoom in as you want to. Here at the bottom, we have a cross pointing in all directions. This allows you to move your clip around the screen in any direction. Click it once and it will turn into horizontal mode, which disallows you to pull it vertically whatsoever. Once more and you'll have the vertical tool, which acts the same as the horizontal tool, only opposite. In the next tutorial I'll show you masking, since it's too much to do